All right, shake, shake, shake. I like having protein shakes 2 or 3 times a day. Most people have one. I like to have 2 or 3 because basically it tastes like chocolate milk at the end of the day. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. I want to show you something that just debuted here with Save Club. Boom. Okay, I'll go ahead and promote my links at the end. Let's just go and show you something cool. Do you guys like websites that do everything for you? Boy, I sure do. Because all I, at the end of the day, do to be successful is invite people to a link. They click it, they watch a movie, little video, not a movie. It's like 2-minute video, 6-minute video. My funnel system has a 20-minute video. But these videos do all the recruiting, all the training, all the questions are totally answered on these videos. And you're going to have the same videos I do. So why not just use the video and get real good at inviting people to links? Now, when you log in, let me just start here. This is the home page. So when you go to saveclub.com, you're going to log in with your username and password. So this is the page. I want you to scroll down. See where it says My Websites. Check it out. Scroll down. See where it says Powerline Landing Pages. These are the pages you use to invite people to that explain the membership, the affiliate, how much, compensation plan, and everything else. It does everything. But just remember, it's called Powerline Landing Pages. Now there's 4. Okay, this one is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. I've signed up 103 people already just by using this link right here. SaveClubTour.com/ and my username, which is Cory Draper. You're going to have a different one, of course, when you join. Now, my second favorite one is the third one. This pretty lady right here, I love the third one. I think it has the best flow and it's awesome. And if you have not joined Save Club yet, these are the links that you invite people to in an email, maybe a post, maybe someone inboxes you, or you do something on TikTok or Instagram. Okay? But invite people to a link. That's all you do. And please let these links do everything for you. Let me just show you. For example, this is the link that I've signed up. 103 people. People watch this 6-minute video and then they fill out the information right below, click that link, and they get an email from Save Club. And if you want to join, great. Just follow the information inside the email. And if you don't want to join, don't worry. Don't worry. No rush. But I sure hope that you think about it because we're only 19 days old. We're signing up thousands of people a day, but we have hardly any affiliates. Because with this opportunity, most people are joining just to save money. So for $19.97 a month, you're going to love the savings. But for $60, you're going to get your own website and everything I'm showing you. Please look into this affiliate thing. It's exciting. Okay, this is my second favorite page. I like page 3. There you go. Now you can put your own name here or business. I put Cory Draper's website. And then look at that. There's that lady just checking it out. Look, she's looking at her card and she's probably saving money. Looks like she's probably at a restaurant. But put your information here, hit the orange button. But what people do is they like to click this button. And this is a nice 2-minute video. And it explains everything. Okay? These are the pages. They're brand new. They just came out. There's 4 now instead of 1. When I first joined Save Club, this was the 1. But look at that. There's number 2. There's number 3. There's number 4. And remember where to get them. Log in to the home page. Scroll down to My Websites. It's got to be My Websites. And this is the page right here. And just remember, you use the 4 underneath the Powerline Landing Pages. These are the only 4 that you send people to where they sign up as a member and affiliate. You'll make $20 to $32 for each sign up. And if you watch our compensation plan video, you'll see we have 5 ways to earn. And boy, do they add up. You can go to this little button here that says Pay Plan. It's at the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom left of your computer screen. Or why don't you just watch these videos because they explain the compensation plan for you. Okay, so take your time, relax, but not too long. Because today is June 19th. We're only 19 days old. If you're going to wait another week, guess what? Thousands of people are going to sign up right. They're going to zoom right by you. I recommend not doing that. Opportunities like this, they don't come around every day. They just don't. It's exciting that you're finally getting aboard something where you're inviting people to save money, not spend money and never to be seen again, like going to Vegas, gambling it, or going to a show or a hotel, or there's a lot of fun things that you're going to probably save money on. But not one person is going to get upset and pissed going, oh, Cory, how dare you invite me to something that saves me money on things I'm probably already buying. Most people, in my opinion, and I've already contacted thousands and thousands of people, not one person has said, how dare you try to save me money. And if you join saveclub.org right there, you can climb aboard. $60 to be an affiliate, $19.97. So for $79.97, you can come aboard. Now, if you want to join saveclubfunnels.com, it's the only funnel system. You can put the funnel before anything. You're going to get your own link, and this funnel takes over for you. It has a 20-minute video that explains everything with charts and graphs. It's a great video. 20 minutes. It explains everything for you, to you, or anyone you invite it to. And I've signed up about 70 people by using the funnel. And this can go to anybody already joined. If you've joined someone else, but they're not really helping you, then join my team. I got the biggest team by far. We dominate the leaderboard. We have brand new pictures, brand new videos every Monday for you. Just for that $60, you got to be an affiliate. And for $25, you see that funnel? Go for it. saveclubfunnels.com. It's the only one, and it is the best. And we freshen that thing up. If we have to freshen it up in a week or two, we will, because obviously we're going to have more people, more opportunities, more money. We have more testimonials. It's going to be very exciting, especially if you join now, because we have thousands of people joining a day, but hardly any affiliates. So you got to remember, most people join a Save Club just to save money, like Orbitz, Groupon, Priceline. And they don't offer affiliate opportunities. Well, we do. We're not giving all our money to the Kardashians or a sports hero or maybe an actor or somebody famous on YouTube like an influencer. Okay? The money is going to go to you. The only way you can qualify is $60. That's it. There's nothing more to buy. You don't have to buy things like an MLM. I don't like MLMs, and I don't think you do either. They're kind of burned out, especially in 2025. They've been around 100 years with Amway. This is not that. This is where you're going to just invite people, and yeah, they're going to save money. I think you will. I can't promise you that. I always got to do a disclaimer and say, results aren't typical, but I've saved about $900 already on car tires. And what else did I do? Oh, a tanning salon with my friend at Secret Beach, a purple mattress. I bought a mattress, a couple car washes, a bunch of food now. I joined right when this kicked off, so I have a head start on everybody, and I'm really good at saving. It's fun to log into my phone and just see if somewhere I'm going or eating at, or maybe I need to get some gasoline and diesel for my vehicles, because yes, that's going to be my number one savings each month. I can guarantee you that, because I love to drive. That's my favorite thing to do. But with Save Club, it's a great membership. It's only $19.97, and you can quit at any time. This is not contracts or some big investment. This is just good old-fashioned savings, but there's an affiliate opportunity now that it's never been done, especially worldwide. This is international. Yes, China. Yes, Asia. All over that area. Yes, Africa. Yes, South Africa. I just got someone, he goes, what's going on with SA? Like, you South Americans down there, you don't worry about that. We're coming. And especially Australia, Brazil. Yes, New Guinea and New Zealand. We're going to go to Greenland and Iceland, and above me in Canada, down below in Mexico, every city, every state, every country. It just takes time. We're only 19 days old, guys. It takes time, okay? So just remember, join saveclub.org. Go there right now. Let's get you aboard. And if you've already joined, or you want to see what the funnel looks like, both of those links, they get you signed up, ready to go. The only difference is with Save Club Funnels, you're going to be joining one big-ass team, the most powerful team by far in Save Club. You're going to have the best content, the best pictures, the best videos, and they are waiting for you. We need you uploading on TikTok, Instagram. We need you posting on Facebook or sending people a message or making a business card. Those two cards on my screen right now, I just went to Vistaprint. They're $22 for a big old box. You'll never run out of them, but it's nice to know that if somebody wants to talk about Save Club in person, just give them a card and say, watch the video. Please don't talk about it, because you're going to think you're going to have to talk and recruit or do what I'm doing for 10 minutes. I do this because I love doing video like YouTube videos and posting them on Facebook or sending a link somewhere so someone can watch this video so I can promote both of these links below. But you don't have to do video if you don't want to. Maybe you want to email. Maybe you want to TikTok and rock. Guess what? We have training for every social media platform. Every single one, we have a video right for you. How to TikTok and Instagram. Maybe you want to go Twitter, X, Threads. The little videos that are like 10 to 15 seconds long. We have a ton of them waiting for you. And they all promote Save Club. All you got to do is just get your link. Guys, if you're interested, click the link. You're done. You're done. Just go crazy. Make it fun. Take an hour or two a day and just post like a maniac. If you got 3 or 4 hours open, outpost. He or she who posts the most is probably going to get the biggest fish. It's just the way it is, especially now, 19 days old. We're little babies in Pampers still, okay? All right, thanks for your time, guys. It looks like I'm going on 11 minutes right now. You can see both the links. And I like when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, too. And I'm not shy. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can absolutely email me anytime. Just give me a little bit. Sometimes I'm busy doing other stuff, but I'd love to answer your questions if I can, okay? All right, take care. My work is done. You guys take care. Bye.